Hey guys, so me and Rena are playing some ROCitzens once again. ROCitzens, not ROCitzens. ROCitzens is very fun, and yeah, so we're just gonna play some of that. Rena, I have a question. Is Cora gonna play?
What?
Is Cora going to play?
No.
Okay.
I didn't start recording yet because I had to wait until everything loads in.
But yeah, so Rena's sister's not going to play with us for some reason. Who knows why. But yeah, so we're just going to play
my mom somewhere.
So we're just going to play some ROCitzens. Well, me and Rena used to play ROCitzens like every day. Hold on, Rena. I'm going to turn you down a little bit.
Like too loud? Is this loud enough?
Well, I just turned you down, so it's like the same now. Okay. But yeah, so we used to play this every day, and it's in my favorites, because it is so amazing.
I'm going to start in 3. Hold it off. It's loading again.
So yeah, come on, game, let me play, please.
Game.
Hopefully this time it doesn't lag as much, because earlier it was lagging like so bad, and it was... I couldn't play. It was so bad. I want my
funny voice.
No.
Why?
I want this mouse to work. Go, cursor.
If this video gets 100 likes, Allison will do her funny voice.
Oh gosh, really, Rena?
Yeah, I don't think it will.
Well, maybe not, because I don't have to agree with it. So.
Everybody in the comments, make her do it. Okay.
No, please don't. Please don't, or else this won't be a channel anymore. So if you like this channel,
do it. Let's see.
Wow, nothing is loading because like my cursor is not loading. Nothing.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna start. Did I already start? Okay. I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, here we go.
Hello, everybody. Today, me
Yes.
and Allison are gonna play ROCitzens.
I'm so happy this is not lagging. Actually,
I know, right?
I'm gonna go grab my car, go get a house, and do some of that stuff. So, yeah.
I'm gonna go get some monies from the bank.
Yeah, I'll do money first. Money's more important,
this
totally. Well, I'm getting my house. I'm getting my car.
Oh. Okay.
Not my house, my car.
Here's a little secret if you want to run faster. You hold shift and walk forward and then push that. And then shift and walk forward and then push that. If you understand what I'm doing.
Well, they don't know what push that means.
Push that, shift and push and walk forward, and then push the typing thing like I'm doing right now.
The slash, backslash?
Yeah, so you can type and then boom. I just showed it. Show the trick that I showed you.
But the trick she showed me, it doesn't work for me. And
Really?
It really doesn't, and I don't know why. One of the cool updates for the cars for ROCitzens is the blinkers. I like that, because, it's just cool.
I don't like it because when you're like a police officer or a robber and you're in the car, it's hard to see. Because the
I turned my car off. Why is it moving? It was moving, and I turned it off, which is... I'm behind you, bro. Okay, no, I'm not. I'm next to you. Dang it, I have 55 minutes.
I have to wait 1 more hour.
I have 55 minutes.
That one's for my one-day one.
Same.
That person's robbing the bank. Oh, I'm locked in here. Help.
Ha ha ha.
Hey.
What? It's
Sir.
funny.
Sir. Ah! So loud. Rip headphone users, this bell is so loud. Let's
hear a bell. I'm lucky.
The alarm
Oh, dang.
for ROCitzens.
I just ran a red light. I'm a rebel, bro. I'm a rebel.
Okay, I'm free. This is loud.
Man, my car is going like really slow.
The alarm is quieting down. That was so loud.
Sorry, guys. I'm kind of a bad driver. Although I don't like drive on the grass. I'm not that bad of a driver. I drive on the road, but sometimes I go off the road. You know.
Totally does.
I'm just that person. Like, see? I just did it.
Nice. Ah! Stop shooting, the gun is floating.
I'm just gonna keep my blinker on because I still need it. Okay. I want that house, but it's cost a lot of money. I think I'm saving up. I'm saving up for the luxury cabin.
Did you kill it? Wait, what? Oh, okay, you didn't kill him. Oh, in the day's work, she says. The cop says.
But yeah.
He just shoots a criminal, almost killing him, and then she says, "Oh, in a day's work." I feel bad for those criminals now, sorta.
I found some empty spots for houses. Oh, you're heading over there.
This guy's house is huge.
Guess what? We just headed to the same street, not even on purpose.
We did?
I want this one. Yeah.
I call living on the edge, by the edge. So I can jump off and do suicide. I don't think
Suicide? Why do you want to do suicide? Oh, of course. Now it starts lagging. Oh, there we go. Okay. Go to my car, and we're going to park it. 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 I don't know what I'm singing. I don't know what I'm singing.
Park it. Park it. Park it.
Turn my car off. Okay, now it's lagging and I'm... Ugh. Okay, now it's off.
Close the window so no one can see me but the weird person.
What the heck?
What?
My car is off, but it's still moving.
Your car is haunted. Ow.
What the heck is happening? Oh, I don't know what's happening. I'm sorry, person, but... Oh my gosh.
Stuck.
I haven't given you permissions yet, so I will.
I'm gonna look in this guy's house.
My house. Permissions.
I'm in this guy's house right now.
Ban, 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 ban.
Ah!
Ban.
I would never be person.
Ban.
How do I get in this weirdo's house? I'm trying to break in this house. I'm so weird.
I'm giving everyone a ban except for you.
Why?
Because I don't want people coming onto my property. There. I gave you permissions. Oh, I need to change my name.
Darn it. Oh well.
Lately, I've been spelling my name wrong. Bro, we still need to have that dinner.
We never succeeded at having dinner because of lag and game.
Because of people. It's like I'm famous or something, but people were just like at my window. So annoying.
And did you
Locks on. Oh, okay. Now at my house, I'm gonna open the door because, yeah. Why wouldn't we open the door? Because if we didn't open the door, how would we get inside? Is my question. My question. Yeah. guys, so I want to customize my house. I'm done. I want to buy some furniture.
Where are you?
I'm outside. Furniture. I want to go. I want to
only
go
have
like
one seat.
out. I want to go outside. I want to see if I can buy. Ooh, fireplace. I want to see if I want to buy a hot tub, but I don't think I can. I'm gonna buy this grill. Yeah. Oh, 9,000.
I'll be in the bathroom.
Boom! I know it. 9,025. Okay, can I place it though? I forgot how to place it. Oh wait, you got inventory, furniture. What the flip? God, you stank. Boom, we placed our grill. Yeah, place our grill. Ooh, I can make hamburgers and steak and grilled cheese and chicken.
Give me some of that.
I can't make it because I don't have the supplies, but like I could if I wanted to.
Aww.
I'm locking you out. I'm gonna change your permissions like as soon as you want to come back in. It's like,
Aha! I disappeared.
You're at your house.
No, I'm not.
We'll
I
see
made
that.
it on top of your roof.
What? Oh, because the grill. Huh? I want to meet you up there.
I'm on top of the world. Hey! I'm on top of the world.
Please don't sing.
Hey!
I'm on top of the world. Hey, I'm on top of the world.
Only I can make it up here.
I went the wrong way.
See? Only I can make it up here. Ha ha, yeah. That's why you laughed. Ha ha, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Can you make it? No. I'm just gonna eat here. There's no item.
What?
I got some leftover food. Like, cookies.
Oh, whatever. I'm not even gonna try. Fine, I'll eat those turkey legs we were supposed to eat last night. All 12 of them.
I already have some turkey legs.
How? I didn't give you any.
Let's see how. Oh, I got bacon. Ha! I got bacon. Best kind of food ever. Bacon.
I'll tell you all the things I have. I have French toast turkey. What is this? Oh, a cookie, 7 cookies, 8 hot chocolates, and bacon.
7 cookies that I gave you. So they're technically mine. And that's not really how it works, but okay.
Hold on, Rita, BRB.
Whatever. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm gonna go to number nom. I thought you could order food. We can't order food. I'm out of here. This is the worst restaurant ever.